Right now, malaria kills a child every minute. Working with world-leading data scientists, we built this interactive artwork to show how we can stop malaria and save lives.
Let's do this.
Malaria is one of the world's biggest killers, but with the right technology, experts like these know how to beat it.
Dr. Charles, over to you.
Okay.
For over 60 years, the world has been winning the battle against malaria. Thanks to global collaboration, millions of lives have been saved and many countries eliminated malaria. But recently, the world took its eye off the ball. The perfect storm began to rage. Mosquitoes started getting smarter, weather patterns became less predictable, funding slowed down, and years of progress began to unravel, putting millions of children's lives at risk.
Let's see what we can do about this.
It's time for our biggest ever push. Malaria can be defeated, but it will take a combined effort. With the tools available today, we can save millions more lives. But if we invest in the tools of tomorrow, we'll have the chance to end the disease in our lifetime. Together, we could reach zero malaria.